I'm never really say a whole lot about our private Telegram group because, it's private, but, of course everybody's eating. But man, let me scroll down and show y'all. These are people posting their profits in our group and stuff like that we normally do. They posting charts of what they made and blah, 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 blah. And this is something that I posted right after I recorded that video on YouTube, and blah, blah, blah. Okay, so these are the trades I'm posting in the group. And we just joking, we eating good and all that kind of stuff. And see, we play around and have a good time in there. But this caught my eye. Here goes Van. Van made some good money and everybody was eating good. Just joking, having a great time in the group. See, laughing, having a good time. Keep watching, keep watching, keep watching, keep watching, keep watching. Watch this. Okay, somebody still posting profits, $442 in profits. So that's good. But that's normal in our group. Here's what's not normal. This caught my eye. Look at this. Teaching the youngins while I'm still learning. This really caught my eye. It really did. Look at this. And this person is actually teaching their kids how to trade. And I told you guys, if you look at what we said, simple enough, you can teach your kids. So everybody's watching these profits that people are making, which is great. Are people making money? Yes, they're making money in our group. That's cool. But this touched my heart right here. That touched my heart. See, here goes somebody else. AUD, NCD, they up probably about 207 pips, it looks like, on two positions. The first position is 103. Second position is 104, so that's 207 pips, roughly. So that's great. And then here they go. They posting. They have three positions, 85 pips each. So, but here's what I said to them. Wow, praise God for this. This is amazing. See? Thank you, sir, for all you do. See? And look at people posting. See? Still posting profits and stuff. But Steve, the thing is this is what I'm trying to do with you guys. I'm trying to train you guys so that you'll learn yourself. And then you can go back and do exactly what this person's doing. I didn't ask them how old their kids are. I mind my business. If people choose to share things with me, that's fine. If they don't, that's fine. But, as you can see, this must be their whiteboard because here was NFP, which I tell them how to write up a news board, to keep watch on news events. And this person is training their kid on charts. 4 hour, 15 minutes, this, that, and the other strategies and blah, blah, blah. But this is just freaking amazing, man. Praise God for this, man. I just had to do a quick video. This is what I'm launching you guys to learn. Because what you'll be able to do is do like my dad did and post legacy, my legacy money. My dad had taught my brothers and sisters about real estate. That's how I got involved the first time, man. I started doing real estate because my dad taught me. So now I taught my kids how to trade, and they're starting to trade. And this person posted in the group showing their kid how to trade. And this is what you want right here. You want to be able to learn something so you can pass down legacy knowledge. Stop trying to leave them cars and money and leave something in their head, which is knowledge. And they'll always know how to make money. Man, this just really touched me, man. Praise God for this, y'all. This is amazing. That's amazing. I'm really happy with this. I was able to change one person's life, and now I'm changing their whole family's history, future. Because the same knowledge I passed to this guy, this young man he's passing it down to his kids, and they'll be able to pass it down to their kids and so forth and so forth and so forth. Just amazing.